Hey Divas, Kaden here. If you're new, my name is Kaden. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for tuning in. So guys, today, focus. So guys, today I'm going to be cleaning my living room, deep cleaning it, and I'm going to be doing some laundry, and I want to take you guys with me. So let's go. So I'm going to show you the condition. So my living room is like this right now. I'm going to go ahead, pick up these toys and do some deep cleaning, put away what needs to be put away, clean up the dining room table, clean up here, all of that. And this is the laundry that I have to do, so they're right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the laundry, and yes, I'll be deep cleaning, taking you guys with me. So let's go. So Divas, I'm gonna start off by cleaning the furniture. So the first one I'm gonna be touching is the TV stand. So I'm just gonna use a piece of cloth and some furniture polish to clean it down, and then on the glass portion of it I'm gonna use some Windex. So as you can see, my TV screen is all messy, and that is the work of that little girl you see right there. As you can see, she's getting in the way, but what can I do? I can't do nothing. So I'm not gonna touch the TV screen because my husband usually cleans it, so I'm gonna leave that to him, but I'm gonna do the TV stand. Whenever I'm cleaning, I also like to clean the picture frames because they do pick up dust, so I like to dust them down. To the sofa. Now if you have kids, you know how it goes. So as you can see, I pulled out the cushions and look at it. There's a lot of mess. You have crayons, you have beads, you have clips, you have bubbles, you have all you can think about. You have crumbs from food, everything. So what I'm just gonna do is use my vacuum and vacuum all that up. So I'm gonna ensure that it's all clean and vacuum it up, try to get up all the dust and the dirt, and yeah. And guess who's there again? Yes, Little Miss, and Big Miss is joining her. Now I'm going to move on to the shoe area, and I'm going to take up the stuff that we're not wearing and put them away, like the winter stuff. And I don't know, but the front area right here where we keep the shoes, it always gets packed. No matter how I declutter, it gets super packed. So I don't know. gonna go ahead and take everything up off the dining room table, everything that's not supposed to be there, and then clean it down and set it up. Just gonna go ahead and vacuum the carpet. Now this gray section piece, the centerpiece right there, I'm not gonna vacuum it or shampoo it today because I already did that yesterday. So I'm just gonna do the main carpet that's in the apartment, because our entire apartment is carpet except for the bathrooms and kitchen. So I'm just gonna go ahead, vacuum, shampoo, and dry. guys, this is it. My entire living room / dining room area is super clean, smelling fresh. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you never miss another upload. Please share and tell a friend, tell another friend, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye.